holidays, from me to you.
Thank you, milady.
You were right, Hiccup. There's so much more out here, and it's beautiful.
And this is only the beginning, Astrid. Who knows what we'll find out here?
Hiccup, I know this must be really hard for you seeing everyone with their dragons. But you really did a wonderful thing. Thank you.
I know. You're right. I lost my head. It won't happen again.
It is nice to know you care, though.
If you don't know that by now, then...
Hey! Haha!
Hey! What you up to?
Oh, you know, not much. Just,
Working on that secret project?
It's not a secret, Astrid.
Okay, so, then tell me what it is.
It's, well, you know.
Yeah, secret.
It was worth all the risk in the world just to see that.
And that's the last of the eggs.
So much for Krogan's breeding program.
Hiccup! Yes!
Astrid!
Thank Thor, you're okay.
I'm fine.
See? I told you it was in here.
Still doing that one. That's hilarious. Come here, you. Ooh. You can either come with me and fight alongside me, or you can go back to Burke and pray I come back alive.
I was going to say, your father would be proud. I'm proud. And where you go, I go.
Thank you for everything. Shh, just rest. We're gonna beat this. I promise you, Astrid. You just have to keep fighting and hold on. You need to stay with us. I can't imagine a world without you in it.
What you're searching for isn't out there, Hiccup. It's in here. Maybe you just don't see it yet.
Astrid! I got you. Oh. Okay, you've got to hold on tighter.
Oh, sorry.
Don't apologize. The truth is, obviously, I'm glad you're here.
You know what? I've had enough thinking to last me an entire week. I'm going to get some sleep.
I just want to make sure. That's the one thing I really don't want to do. But at the same time, spending time with you is important. Thank you. Thank all of you for tonight, for everything.
Oil? For what?
Just a little something I've been tinkering with.
Oh, right. Your secret project.
Astrid? Wonder if Toothless ever misses me.
Well, this seems pretty perfect to me.
Yeah, I guess it does. You've always been there for me, and I want to always be there for you. I love you, Astrid Hofferson, with everything I have, and I always will.
I mean, we have a different kind of... Did you seriously think I'd leave here with just a handshake?
Yeah, I know. She's something else, huh, bud?
Call it a draw?
Not on your life. I got you right where I... What? Okay. Yeah. stupid.
That's the hiccup, I know.
This was my father's betrothal gift to my mother. And he gave it to me to give to you. Astrid, you're a part of our family. You always have been. And I hope you always will be.
I didn't get you a gift. I don't know what to get.
But you did. Astrid, you got me the greatest gift in the world. You. You just being here with me is the only gift I need. It was exactly what everyone needed. For the kids and for the memory of my father.
It's what makes you such a great friend, a great leader, and, a great boyfriend.
As for the lovebirds... No, those lovebirds. Their future seems to be pretty certain.
Lights, every stop!
Hiccup, don't.
I have to.
This way! Quickly!
Take him down, run!
Well, as long as we're staying, what do you say we take a moonlit flight?
Thought you'd never ask. Toothless has a girlfriend.
I never took you for a romantic. Like, ever. Oh, how dare you! That is a low blow. No, you are not getting away. Okay, you win. You always win.
You knew what you were getting into.
Right. What is all this slobbering and panting?
Isn't it obvious? He's in love.
Trust me, relationships are nothing but pain and misery.
Chief and Chief Dad!